Yesterday, President Yoweri Museveni graduated over 2,000 prison warders and wardresses in a ceremony at Kololo. This raises the number of the warders to 12,000 staff. However, these are short to look after 68,000 prisoners, with over 35,000 on remand.
68,000 prisoners, 52% of which are remand prisoners. These are the people who are still going to court.
According to Dr. Byabashaija, this has drained the prison's coffers, especially as some of these inmates are not supposed to be in the coolers for as long as they have.
If a suspect is caught with having stolen cows or goats, why should this person spend 6 months in the prison awaiting trial? And they really drain our resources. This percentage of remands is taking fuel, vehicle wear and tear.
He's also concerned that the excessive prison congestion is responsible for the increasing spread of diseases among inmates and prison staff.
It's a very serious issue because it impacts on the morbidity and mortality of the inmates. It impacts on the health of this staff. One of the hazards of being a prison officer in a prison is to contract a communicable disease from the inmates.
He blames the judiciary for being slow in dispensing justice.
But the fundamental problem is in the criminal justice system.
For their part, Judiciary spokesperson Jameson Karemani admitted that the sector is constrained with a limited number of judicial officers and inadequate budget.
As Judiciary, we are aware of the challenges as regards the big number of prisoners who have been on remand. We have been working hand in hand with the other stakeholders to see how best we can reduce the numbers. Because of the challenges that we have, which include the resources, both the human resource and financial, it has not been possible to achieve in a short time that we have.
Karemani says the third arm of the state is devising means to deal with the congestion problem.
Of judicial officers, both the magistrates and the judges, who can help us to dispose cases in time. It is being done, but gradually. And we hope that when we get those numbers, we shall be able to dispose these cases in time. But what we have done is that we have come up with some innovations which can help us to be solving this in the meantime. And one of these is pre-bargaining.
JJINGO FRANCIS, NTV.